This is the packet which I got from Aliexpress. Here I can zoom it a little bit, or now I am opening the pack here, which I have already opened it, as you can see here. You can see here there is no branding on anything. It came in an open packet here, a loose one. There is no branding on any one. You can see clearly it's only written 220 volts to 240 volts, and it is RoHS approved. These three are the cool white ones, and this is the warm white one. Now I am going to dissect all these 4 bulbs. This is the warm white bulb, which I have tested for 2 hours. Now the bulb has been burned completely, which I can show you on the video itself. You can see here. Now I am opening the bulb to clearly see the burn marks. Here you can see it is plastic coated. I am removing the plastic. You can see here the burn marks. It's completely burned. Here. Now you can see here the circuitry is being burned. Here it's burned. Circuitry is also burned here. Let me zoom it for you. Now in this video I am going to dissect a new bulb here. Here I am opening the new bulb. What I am doing here is I am going to check through the multimeter what is the ampere which is being given here. So first of all, here is the plus and here is the minus. So what I'm going to do is, through this plus, I am desoldering this thing. Well, let me give you an example here. This is a properly working bulb. Here, this is glowing. Now let me desolder it. Okay, here I'm going to show you how much the voltage is being outputted in this LED bulb. You can see here the voltage here is about 20 volts in the emitter, the voltage multimeter here. I'm going to hold the voltage here for a while. See, it's 20 volt around. Okay, what now I am doing here is I am checking the ampere of this bulb which I have got from Ranpo. Now, before, what I have done is I have given here the positive one which I have connected through the red wire, and I have made it in a series. You can see here the series. Now in the multimeter here I have put the dial gauge on 10 on this setting. Here I have the 10 ampere maximum range. This one, the black one, is in comms, and this one is on 10 ampere maximum. I have soldered all the wire here. The black one goes here, the positive, and the red one on the positive wire. Now I am connecting this one. On the multimeter you can clearly see it's 0.26 ampere. If I move this dial gauge to here, it will be 2, means 260 milliamps, and here it's 0.26 amps, and the maximum current we can get here is 2.6, and we have seen the voltage which is around 20 volts. It's a simple math. If we do 2.20 volts with 0.26 amperes, it will output to a voltage and a watt of 5 watt bulb. So this is not a 25 watt bulb, it's simply a 5 watt bulb. I am removing and I am holding this value here maximum 2.27. It's 0. No, it's 0.27. I'm holding the value. It's 0.26. Dial gauge is set to 10. Here maximum. Here, if I go through the dial gauge and if I release the hold, it will give to 2.26. 2.6, it means 260 milliamps. I remove this, it's set to 10. It will give 0.26 ampere. Simply doing the maths, this is a 5 watt bulb. 220 volts multiplied by 0.26 ampere. I'm going to hold the value.